everybody, and welcome to the fourth video in my Algebra 1 series. This video will focus on exponent rules. Notation. There are two ways to show exponents. You can do the classic way using superscript, or you can use an up arrow. For this slideshow, I'm going to use up arrow notation because PowerPoint only lets you do one superscript and I need to do multiple. Evaluation order. With exponents, you always evaluate from the top to the bottom, but you still need to follow PEMDAS. So 4 to the 3 to the 2 equals 4 to the 9 equals 262,144. 4 to the 3 raised to the power of 2 equals 64 squared, which equals 4,096. Rules. I'm going to show you a couple formulas. For these formulas, we will need three variables, a, b, and c. When using the formulas, you can just replace the variables with the corresponding values. Product rule. A to the b times a to the c equals a to the b plus c. Quotient rule. A to the b divided by a to the c equals a to the b minus c. Power of a power rule. A to the b raised to the power of c equals a to the bc. Power of a product rule. AB raised to the power of c equals a to the c times b to the c. Power of a quotient rule. A divided by b, whole thing raised to the power of c, equals a to the power of c divided by b to the power of c. Zero exponent rule. Anything to the power of 0 equals 1. Negative exponent rule. A to the power of negative b equals 1 over a to the b. Fractional exponent rule. There are square roots, cube roots, etc. All roots can be expressed as powers. A to the power of b over c is the same as the cth root of a raised to the power of b. Here I have all the rules written out. I will now show you a couple example questions. Let's say we had to solve 1 over 3 to the power of negative 3. Now we can say that a equals 1 over 3 and b equals 3. And now we can use the rule that a to the power of negative b equals 1 over a to the b. So now we can see that this equals 1 over 3 to the power of 3. And now we can look at the bottom part and solve it by using another one of the rules, and we can see that it equals 1 over 1 to the 3 over 3 to the 3, which equals 1 over 1 over 27, and 1 over 1 over anything equals that number. So now we can see that the final answer is 27. Next example. 2 squared cubed. So we can now see that a equals 2, b equals 2, and c equals 3, and we can remember the rule that a to the b to the c equals a to the bc. So now we can see that it is the same as 2 to the power of 2 times 3, which equals 2 to the 6, which equals 64. Next problem. 32 to the power of 3 over 5. So as we can see, we can again organize this into a, b, and c. A equals 32, b equals 3, and c equals 5. And we can remember the rule that a to the power of b over c equals the cth root of a to the power of b. So we can see that this equals the fifth root of 32 to the power of 3. And 32 equals 2 to the 5. So we can see that this equals the fifth root of 2 to the 5 and then cubed, which equals 2 cubed, which equals 8. Next question. 2 to the 3 times 2 to the 4. We can yet again organize this into A, B, and C. A equals 2, B equals 3, and C equals 4. And we can remember the rule that A to the B times A to the C equals A to the B plus C. So we can rewrite this as 2 to the 3 plus 4, which is 2 to the 7, which is 128. Next question. Two to the power of 4 over 2 squared. Now let's organize this into A, B, and C. A equals 2, B equals 4, and C equals 2. And we have the rule A to the B over A to the C equals A to the B minus C. So we can rewrite this as 2 to the 4 minus 2, which equals 2 squared, which equals 4. Next question. 2 times 3 to the power of 3. There's two ways to do this. We could just multiply the 2 and 3 inside the parentheses to get 6 cubed, which equals 216. Or we could arrange it into A, B, and C again. A equals 2, B equals 3, and C equals 3. And then we can remember the rule that AB to the C equals A to the C times B to the C. So we can rewrite this as 2 cubed times 3 cubed, which equals 8 times 27, which equals 216. For this question, you can solve it either way. I just wanted to show you both. Here are some practice questions. I will reveal the answer in 3, 2, 1. Next video will focus on expressions and equations. Thank you for watching.